Spice YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing Mask Monday. And today, I'll be using the Sprinkles Mask, which is berry scented, by April Bath and Shower. So I'm interested in trying this. It does say sprinkles on it, so it does look like there is sprinkles on the face. So that should be cool. But first, I'm going to put my hair up, get it out of the way. If you like videos on hauls, DIYs, and shopping, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you're notified every time I upload. And I thought I'd use this hairband that I got in an Ardennes haul with the surprise bags. So if you want to see that video, I'll link it in the description box. For right now, I'm going to put this in my hair. All right, let's get on with it. Okay, so it does say, cleanse face thoroughly and rinse. Remove mask, unfold, and apply to the face, pressing lightly. Leave mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove mask, discard, and massage face. Mask is disposable for one-time use only. You want to open it? Ooh, a bubble. Ooh, it's really wet. The other masks that I did were wet, but this one is really wet. Whoa. Oh, how cute is it? Check it out. It does have sprinkles. That's so cool. Here we go. Ooh. It'll say, wow. Oh my God, it looks weird. Doesn't it? Ooh, it's gold. Okay. What do you think, guys? Is it me? Sure is a lot of sprinkles. So far, feels okay. You can tell there's a scent, but it's not like, it's not a huge scent, which is nice. And you can feel the lotion for sure on it. While we wait for the mask to do its job, let's have a little drink. If you want to see how I made my smoothie, watch this. So I went to Dollar Tree and I bought this Carnation Fat-Free Instant Skim Milk Powder. And on the back there is a recipe for a smoothie, so I thought I'd try it. So the ingredients are half a cup of the skim milk powder, half a cup of ice, a cup of water, and I decided to use bottled water. So here I am putting the water in to the blender. The next is the half a cup of ice, half a cup of the skim milk powder, I also put in a package of these blueberries. It does say 2 cups of fruit. I just added the whole container. Then I added a cup of this protein powder, 1 scoop. You're supposed to add yogurt, but I didn't have any, so I substitute with that. Then you're going to put the top on and make sure to blend well. I just used the first setting just for a few seconds, just till it was blended. And this is what it looks like. And pour it into a glass. And enjoy. And it's so yummy. I put it in a different glass. The other one was more like a vase, but I wanted you to see what it looked like. It's really thick. You can see it. Probably could have used a little more water, but it's really good. Blueberry's not my favorite, but it's what I had on hand. My favorite is strawberry. What's your favorite? Oh, the mask is drying a bit at the top here. I feel like I like the other mask better, but like I haven't seen the results. The other mask felt so good on my skin. This one feels okay. But I think it's because the other mask that I used was from Viva Color. And I use Viva Color makeup wipes. And I adore them. They make my skin feel so good. So I think I'm biased. What's everyone up to this fine Mask Monday? The mask is drying, you can see. It looks pretty crazy. Well, I think I'm gonna take the mask off now. I'm gonna take it off. Okay, let's see. Ooh. What do you think? It's definitely shiny. This thing is still soaking wet. They do put a lot on. I'm gonna put it somewhere else. Where can I put it? On my arms, my hands. Look at it. Look at how shiny. There is so much lotion in there. It's crazy. I don't want to waste it. Might as well use it. Feels good. Should I do my neck? Why not? It's definitely shiny. I don't know if I like it as much as I like the other one. I'll see in a bit. I'm gonna let it dry. Then I'll put makeup on and then I'll let you know what my real feeling is about it. Well, I'm back and I did like the mask. Have you tried that mask? What did you think about it? Let me know in the comments section below. And don't forget to check out all the other Mask Monday ladies by using the hashtag Mask Monday Ladies. You can look that up in the YouTube search and you'll see other ladies that did the Mask Monday. Well, that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Check my channel very soon for hauls, DIYs, try-ons in my room.